आज हम लोग देखेंगे क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो। क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रुप का भी है ये। 1564 to 1593। मार्लो was born in Canterbury only a few months before Shakespeare. Marlowe was born in Canterbury only a few months before Shakespeare. He is considered as Shakespeare's master in tragedy. He was the son of a poor shoemaker John Marlowe. He studied at Cambridge University. यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रुप का था और ये कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी के ग्रुप का है। इन 1587 at the age of 23 he produced Tamberline. In 1587 at the age of 23 he produced Tamberline. He wrote only tragedy during 5 years of his writing career, 1587 to 1593. 7 years. Sorry, 5 years. A warrant was issued for Marlowe's arrest on 18th May 1593 and no reason was given for it. He was stabbed to death by Graham Fraser in 1593। स्टेप्ड से डेथ हुआ ग्राम फ्रेजर में इन 1593। मार्लो फर्स्ट प्ले वाज परफॉर्म ऑन रेगुलर स्टेज लंदन 1557। वाज टेम्बरलाइन द ग्रेट अबाउट द कनक्यूर। Tamberline, who rise from shepherds to war lord. Tamberline was a great success and it was followed by Tamberline Part Second. The two parts of Tamberline were published in 1590. All Marlowe's other works were published posthumously. मार्लो का करीब वर्क सब पब्लिश हुआ उसके मरने के बाद। Ben Jonson coined the phrase Marlowe madly lines that means Marlowe blank verse with its new vigor, forces and fire to suit his heroic themes. All Marlowe's tragedy are one-man tragedy. Tamberline Must Do 2004 by Lewis Wells is a novella that recounts the last few days of Marlowe. In the play, As You Like It, Shakespeare paid tribute to Marlowe by saying him dead shepherds. George Peele remembered Marlowe as merely the Moses darling. He introduced an important element, internal struggle into English. Thomas called Marlowe poor deceased Kit Marlowe. थॉम्सनस ने मार्लो को कहा पुअर डिसीज्ड किट मार्लो। एसी सुम्ब्रिन इन हैज contemporaries of Shakespeare. एसी सुम्ब्रिन इन हैज contemporaries of Shakespeare stated that Marlowe, Greene and Peele are three gifted men who have been thus bracketed by such critics as in 300 years.